Gain of a system is nothing but how efficiently the system works to correct the error. For example, in a system without the sensor, without the homeostatic mechanism, the rise in blood pressure because of any stimuli, for example stress, can be as high as 175, the normal being 100. Now let us introduce a system with sensors, with control, with effectors that can regulate the blood pressure. And now that you introduce a stress, the response is just 125 mm of mercury, not 175. So that means the rise in blood pressure was plus 25 mm of mercury, but not plus 75. But it is still not back to the normal. It still means that the correction was not complete. It was not returned back to 100, but instead it was only bringing it down to 125 millimeters of mercury from 175. So that means it has reduced the blood pressure by minus 50, but the error remains of plus 25 mm of mercury. So now to give a perfect formula, a gain of a system is defined by the correction by error. The correction was minus 50 because the system has gotten down the blood pressure by 50 mm of mercury, but the error remained of 25 mm of mercury. So dividing these two, we get a gain of minus 2, which is disturbance that could increase or decrease the blood pressure to one half if the control system were not present.